Rashid, he gonna try to dunk onto this goal. He about to dunk it. Let's see what he can do. Come on. Ah, he messed up. He weak, bro. He can't do what I do. He threw it through his legs. I see him. Now watch me, bro. Rashid, come hold this camera, bro. Come hold it. Come on, hold the camera, bro. This is Raheem White. He bet to dunk it. Let's see what he got. Go. Go one more time. Do the same move. Messed up. Get one more try. And that's it. Alright, my homie. My nigga. I see you there. I see you, nigga. Yeah, that's me.